వెల్కమ్ టు S1990 న్యూస్. అనకాపల్లి జిల్లా మాడుగుల నియోజకవర్గం అలమండ్ల కోడూరులో స్వచ్ఛాంధ్ర స్వర్ణాంధ్ర కార్యక్రమంలో ముఖ్యమంత్రి చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు పాల్గొన్నారు. ప్రజావేదికలో సభలో సీఎం ప్రసంగించారు.
My name is Anakapalli Bhargavi. I am studying 8th class in PM Sri ZPHS Ekoduru School. Today I am standing here to representing the young minds of our state. Today I am here to share my thoughts about Swachandra Swarnandra. This vision started by our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu in 2024. This vision to develop our state in all aspects. Swachandra is just like a foundation which we build Swarnandra. A truly golden state cannot rise from unclean surroundings. A cleanliness not only cleaning our streets, it is contribute about a healthy mindset and protect our environment. As students, we realized that the Swachandra program is started right from our school. A young minds when take responsibility about Swachandra to protect our nature very clean and green. When young people take responsibility about clean saplings and planting saplings, say no to single-use plastic. This makes the state wonderful and glorious. Sir, under your visionary leadership, sir, our Andhra Pradesh is always champion technology and smart governance. We envision that smart waste management systems and eco-friendly villages and green tech hubs transforming our cities. Sir, in this occasion, I would like to express my gratitude for your vision and dedication, sir, about Swachandra and Swarnandra and also towards our state. You are also providing so many welfare schemes. Talliki Vandanam, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Vidyamitra, Dokka Sitama Madhyahna Bhojana Padakam, Stree Shakti, NTR Bharosa functions which enlightened the poor people very much, sir. Apart from these all welfare schemes, you are also launches Swarnandra Swachandra program, net